Good debt versus bad debt. Why one builds wealth and the other keeps you stuck. Welcome to Money Mindset Lab. This channel exists for one reason only: to help you understand money the way rich people understand it, not the way society teaches it. Most people work hard. Most people earn. Yet most people stay financially stressed their entire lives. Why? Because nobody teaches them how money decisions compound over time. Today's topic is good debt versus bad debt. This is not just a finance topic. This is a life direction topic. Because one wrong debt decision can silently decide the next 10 to 20 years of your life. And one right debt decision can completely change your future without increasing effort. If you've ever wondered why some people keep upgrading life but never move forward, why others stay quiet but grow financially, why salaries increase but stress doesn't go away, this video will answer all of that. Watch carefully. This is not surface level content. Let me ask you something important. If debt is always bad, then why do rich people use it more than anyone else? Why do banks happily lend millions to wealthy people, but warn poor people to stay debt-free? Because the truth is uncomfortable. Not all debt is equal. One type of debt slowly builds wealth, while another quietly destroys your future without you even realizing it. Most people think they are moving ahead because they earn more every year. But if income alone made people rich, employees would be wealthier than business owners. They're not. Why? Because debt decisions, not income, decide financial direction. In this video, you'll clearly understand why avoiding all debt is a mistake, why some debt keeps you poor forever, and why the right debt can change everything. Watch till the end, because one idea here can save you years of financial struggle. 1. Debt itself is neither good nor bad. Let's fix the biggest misunderstanding first. Debt is not evil. Debt is not dangerous by default. Debt is a financial tool. Just like fire. Fire can cook food or burn the house. Debt simply means you are using future income today. You are pulling tomorrow's money into the present. That means every debt decision is actually a time decision. You are deciding, how will my future self live? Most people never think this way. They think, can I manage the EMI? That's a very small question for a very big decision. Smart people ask, what does this debt change in my life? What opportunities does it remove? What risks does it add? Debt increases speed. If you're moving in the wrong direction, that makes you crash faster. If you're moving in the right direction, that helps you reach earlier. Debt doesn't change direction, it amplifies it. 2. Bad debt creates the illusion of progress. Bad debt feels exciting at the start. New phone. Better car. Better lifestyle. You feel like you're moving ahead. But financially you're standing still or moving backward. Bad debt usually has 3 characteristics. It finances consumption, it depreciates fast, it produces zero income. Examples: credit cards used for lifestyle, personal loans for comfort, expensive cars bought on emotion, gadgets bought to feel upgraded. Here's the dangerous part. Bad debt locks your future income. Every month before you earn, your money already has an owner. So even if income increases, life doesn't feel easier. Why? Because the increase was already spent years ago. Bad debt trains your brain to chase comfort, avoid patience, normalize stress. It keeps you busy, not wealthy. 3. Good debt builds systems, not status. Good debt is boring to most people. No instant upgrade. No social validation. No dopamine hit. That's why few people use it. Good debt is taken for income-generating assets, skill acquisition, business expansion, Long-term productivity. Examples: education that directly increases income. A business loan with demand already present. Rental property with positive cash flow. Tools that multiply output. Good debt focuses on systems, not lifestyle. A system means, money comes even when you're not present, effort is separated from income. Growth is predictable. Good debt sacrifices comfort today to buy time and freedom later. This is why disciplined people win long-term. Not because they earn more but because they use money intentionally. 4. Cash flow decides everything. Cash flow is oxygen. Without it, even high income suffocates. Bad debt reduces cash flow. Good debt improves cash flow. This single difference explains stress levels, decision quality, risk tolerance. Long-term outcomes: when cash flow is strong, you don't panic. You don't rush decisions. You don't fear emergencies. When cash flow is weak, fear controls choices. Survival replaces strategy. Growth becomes impossible. Wealthy people don't ask, "How much does it cost?" They ask, "How does this affect cash flow?" That mindset alone separates outcomes. 5. A simple debt filter to use for life. Before taking any debt, pause and run it through this filter. Ask yourself slowly, does this debt create income or assets? Will my future self thank me? Does this expand options or reduce them? Am I buying growth or comfort? Will this decision matter in 10 years? If debt increases earning power, good. If debt increases expenses, only bad. Never rush debt decisions. Debt rushed emotionally becomes regret financially. Debt is not your enemy. Ignorance is. Most people lose financially not because they lack income but because they misuse leverage. Understand this once and it will guide every major decision in your life. Lifestyle fades. Assets remain. Comfort disappears. Cash flow stays. If this video added clarity, support Money Mindset Lab by liking it. Subscribe for content that focuses on thinking, not hype. Remember this always: bad debt makes you look rich. Good debt makes you become rich. See you in the next video.